Got a really mellow video coming out today. It is a video that is not a tip, not a trick, no hack, no coding. It is a meditative flow video meant to help you get into the flow of creating spreadsheets, working with spreadsheets. It is something that I love myself for the last few years. I've been listening to non-vocal music so that I can get into flow state, sometimes binaural music. This hits hard because it is so hard to concentrate if there is like a hippy-dippy kind of like lots of different stuff going on. I picked out this music to help get into the state of flow. The video that's coming out today, it's over 1 hour. Every 5 minutes, it is a blank green screen most of the time so that it doesn't distract you. I was thinking of doing some GIFs, some video of something. I might do a video of typing along with you and working on spreadsheets with you. I might do that later on this week. But today, it is just a blank green screen. I have, just in case you get a little distracted and your mind starts to wander, go back to the screen, and every 5 minutes, I have a little bit of quote about spreadsheets that might help you think about what you're working on, how important it is. Who might be saying, there's some famous quotes here. Every 5 minutes, there is a quote. And let's get to work. It is Monday morning, and we're going to do some spreadsheets. I'm going to use this music this week to work on some spreadsheets, do a little bit of deep work, that Cal Newport deep work focus. I hope you enjoy the video as well.